Hey everyone, so this is going to be a new one for me. What I'm going to do is to try to drill a hole in glass, and I'll be using this Coke bottle. I'll be drilling 2 holes in this bottle. So hopefully it works, and stick around and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So what I've done so far is cut a hole in here. I just used my hole saw, and now the bottle can sit like so. And to make the top block, I will just use a square, place the other block like so, and make a mark. And now I can mark the center and drill this piece out. So I'll screw these blocks on, and it'll give good support for the bottle, and I can rotate it and drill any holes I need to. So now what I'll do is use this plumber's putty and make a little dam and put it on the bottle. To drill the glass, I'll be using this 7/8 of an inch diamond hole saw made by Starrett. To keep things cool and lubricated, I'll be using water. And this here is called a pipette, and it allows me to add small amounts of water to the drilling. So here it goes. There we go, that's one hole. Now I'm going to try drill a hole on the other side. Cool. So that was my first time I've ever drilled in glass, and I'm happy with it. I drilled 2 holes. It was pretty easy. Now I'll take it apart. Let's hope I don't drop it. There it is. So my little bottle is complete. I got the holes drilled in it, and I think that it helped a lot with this little jig to help support it. Anyways, here it is, the hole right through it. One thing I should mention, when I was drilling, I didn't use a lot of force and I went really slow, and I used my hearing more than I did my feel, because I can hear the sound. So I hope that helps. If you check out the next video, you're going to see what I'm going to be making with this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, and talk to you soon.